How to use Windows Narrator. Welcome everyone. Today we're conquering Windows with Narrator, a built-in screen reader that helps navigate your PC with ease. Let's unlock its potential in under 2 minutes. There are 2 ways to launch Narrator, plus the Windows logo key, plus Control plus Enter. Alternatively, search for the Narrator in the Start menu and launch the app. Narrator reads aloud what's on your screen as you move around. Use the Tab key to jump between elements like buttons, menus, and text boxes. Arrow keys help you navigate within those elements. Pressing Enter activates the selected item. For a personalized touch, open Narrator Settings, Windows logo key plus Control plus N. Here you can adjust the reading speed, voice selection, and verbosity level. Explore different options to find what works best for you. Narrator offers different scan modes for faster navigation. Press Caps Lock plus up and down arrow to cycle through headings, links, or landmarks. This helps you quickly find specific sections on a web page or document. Remember, Caps Lock plus number keys lets you access various Narrator commands like reading current time or toggling punctuation reading. That's a crash course in using Windows Narrator. With a little practice, you'll be navigating your PC like a pro. Thanks for joining us, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more accessibility tips and tricks.